How to join channel in Telegram. If you want to join a channel on Telegram, first of all, it depends whether you want to join a public channel or a private channel. If it is further a private channel, then the only way you can join that channel is through acceptance and through the channel link. But if it is a public channel, you can open the Telegram application, tap on the search bar from the very top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the search bar from the top right, you can simply go ahead and search for a certain channel that you want. So you can just type in the channel name, and once done, you can see a couple of channels right here. And if you want to become a part of the channel, from the bottom you can see the join option, and when you tap the join option, you'll be able to join that channel without any further issues. This way you'll be able to join a channel on Telegram. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in our next video.